Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I just wanted to talk about like a question asked by someone to me on Facebook. So do I need to really show my face in order to build my online business? So I'm going to answer that in this video. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing. And also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also if you need any type of help with your online business, be sure to schedule a free strategy call. First link in the description. And coming back to today's topic, even if this was not my comfort zone, like I didn't wanted to show my face on camera and I was not very comfortable in front of the camera. So this was my major obstacle, but I realized, like after going through many programs and after seeing results of many people, and I have personally experienced it, like showing your face, like it's going to boost massively with your whatever business you are doing right now. So if you are not doing that, just test it out, like you will see massive results in your business. So it could be there are many people right now watching, maybe you're watching, like you run an e-commerce store, like you're building a cat, you're selling some cat related or dog related store products, and at that point of time, like you don't have to show your face. That's understandable, but that doesn't make any sense, like for you to show that face there. But trust me, like you create a personal brand around that store, like you say I own that store, like that again creates a different persona. Like you have a Facebook group or YouTube channel or Instagram page, or like where you show your face and say like I own this this store, and that's how I'm doing this. Like even if you're a fitness coach, like if you want to hide behind the computer and sell something related to fitness, it's not going to work that easily. So it's very, very important that you need to show your face, because if you're not, like you're leaving a lot of money on the table. There are reasons for this, because people buy from people. So for example, if I'm talking in front of you, you know me, like I am Sachin and I'm talking about this topic today. So like that kind of trust, or like the personal relation, that's totally different. I mean, that creates a different level of trust between the buyer and the seller. So like no matter whatever, like if you are selling your services, or like you are affiliate marketer, or any type of business you are into, fitness niche, like why if you show your face, like trust me, it's going to have a different value. It's based on my personal experience. Why I'm saying this, because you can go ahead and sort videos from my YouTube channel. First I was so hesitant to show my face, like I just recorded a screen recording, I just put my audio, and I was even hesitant to tell my name. So that much I don't know, like you can call it a fear, or like I don't know like what it was. So I didn't wanted to do that, and like my mentor just told me one thing, like people buy from people. So it's not going to, like it's not like you're not going to make money without showing your face, but if you do that, it's going to have a massive value. That's what I'm saying. Like if you still don't want to do that, it's okay, you can still continue, but just test it out for a while and you will see massive results. Because while I shooted those videos, like I don't know, maybe around 10 videos I shoot like without showing my face. Like it was still in the beginning stage, but like even I felt like nobody is going to connect me. It's like a machine talking in front of a screen recording. So I'm not even mentioning my name. So it's not going to create that connect with people in order to buy those products, because my major goal was to sell affiliate products in that. And then I started slowly, my mentor like pushed me to go ahead and create this put in front of camera, where he created the challenge where I had to create 90 videos in 90 days. So I started doing that, and I could see like I became more confident in front of camera. Maybe I don't have the best setup in the world, like to shoot my videos, but definitely I'll get there. But that doesn't matter for me. Like what matters for me is as long as I provide value to people. So that's what, like I saw a lot of results. I started getting emails from people, I started getting comments from people, and even in Facebook, like I started having interaction with people, where I started showing me as a brand. So even if you're doing affiliate marketing, where you're not selling your own product, but still you're going to create your brand and recommend those products, and then that is going to have a massive boost in your online business. So this was a short video. I just wanted to convey this to you. So if you're still not comfortable showing your face, just my suggestion would be just try it out. It's totally based on my experience, and I have seen people succeed with this method. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. If you are enjoying my content, please hit that subscribe button. And if you need any type of help with your online business, like if you want to get started with your online business, you don't know where to go, like feel free to study a free strategy call, and let's see like how we can help you. And like that's it for today. And if you have any questions, or like if you want me to what type of content I should create, like you can just comment me below, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.